Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating on how you can calibrate your Hydro-Air C38. Now first and foremost, identify this tab right here and take note on the C value. Okay. So we are going to press Cal once. I'm going to press cell calibration. Okay. By default, it is 1.0000. So all we have to do is key in the C value that we've seen just now. It is 6155. So I'm going to input 5 and press. First, we are going to press enter to lock in, and then we are going to enter back to the calibration page and perform a calibration by using buffer solution. Now this is for a better accuracy calibration. So as you can see over here, my buffer is 1413 microsiemens. So later we are going to adjust this IP cell until we get the matching conductivity value. Now that the reading is slowly stabilizing, we are going to adjust the IP cell. Okay, so we have 1413. And press enter to save. And press mode to exit. And that is how you calibrate your C38. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.